What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I am taking this traditional family room, the way that we've had this family room set up since we moved in, and we are going to be transforming this room into a toy room. We totally need some more space for toys, and so this was the chosen room to make that change with. So real quick, I'm going to just show you guys how the family room was set up if you are new to my channel and have not yet seen the way that we've had this decorated or how this space has kind of laid out. Prior to this becoming the playroom, toy room area, we just had a lot of like really cozy, warm vibes to this room. I wanted to incorporate a lot of like family type of items in here. But for the time being, while we have a bunch of small kiddos running around, this room just has to be a little bit less decorated and a little bit more kid friendly. So I purchased this beautiful cube organizer from Walmart. This is super rustic and it holds a ton of toys. As you can see, it holds 8 total cubes, and mixing my personality with a bunch of kids' toys, I need to have things semi-organized and kind of contained and put together. So this is definitely going to be something crucial that I will be using for all of the kids' toys. And we decided to create a sectional type of look for our 3 couches down here. And with the massive amount of toys that we have, I am also going to be using this space to hold some more of those cube type of bins. And all of these bins I found and purchased from Amazon.com, which I will have linked in the description box below. And then this baker's rack has always been used primarily for decor, but now I'm going to be putting the photo boxes that I took off of the shelving unit, and I'm going to just be placing them here. This is where all of our family photos will be stored for the time being. And here's where the organizational side of me kicks in. I purchased these chalkboard labels from Amazon.com. They're really, really cute, stylish. They have a burlap border around them, and they also have a little tie so that they can be hung on things. I am going to be labeling all of the toys in those cubes with these little labels. I am using a chalkboard marker to give it a really like fresh and clean, defined look. I thought that this would just be a really easy way for cleanup as well as finding the toys that Ada wants to play with. Just making things a little bit easier using these labels. And here is my collection of labels. I love how these look. I love how they're all like unified, very streamlined, and I just can't wait to put these all together and get this playroom up and running. So I was originally planning on having these labels like go right on the handle of these cubes, but unfortunately it just didn't work out, so I ended up using safety pins to stick these labels onto the cubes. I also wanted to create a space to showcase any artwork that Aiden brings home or does at home, and stuff that Annabelle will one day bring home. This ginormous elephant was purchased from Meijer, and I featured this rug in a Baby Essential haul video on my channel. In the corner of the room here, I added a little book station for all of the kids' books. We really want to encourage reading, so I wanted these to be super accessible for them. And then right next to that reading station, I bought this tent from Amazon.com. And then I also purchased this round wooden table from the app Let Go. It was like secondhand and super inexpensive way of creating a little workstation, art station for the kiddos down. And then from TJ Maxx, I purchased this multi-drawer organizer for all of the tiny toys that Aiden has. And here is an example of those. This features just enough room for those smaller toys with a little bit room to actually grow those collections. But again, they keep all of these small, tiny pieces very organized and easy for Aiden to get to what he wants. The drawers pull out, and so it just makes accessing these and cleaning these up super, super simple, which is definitely something I was going for when creating this space for them. So that about does it for this toy room transformation, just how to create an organized and structured toy room for your kiddos. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments or suggestions down in the comment section below. I would really appreciate hearing from you guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you could give this video a big thumbs up, I would really, really appreciate it. I am so happy that my kiddos now have a designated area for them to play with all of their toys. I know this room is going to be filled with plenty of great memories for the years to come, and also plenty of messes, but that is okay. I will be doing a very detailed toy room tour where I just take you guys through and show you the details of everything and just give you an idea of where everything was purchased from. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me for this YouTube journey that I am on. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.